Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a kind of a cool little install for the NC owners out there who track their car. What I have here is a set of tie-down hooks from Panic Motorsports. What these parts act as is a new spot for you to strap your car down on a trailer, or maybe getting towed out of the track if you go out on a sand pit or something, as well as they act as a spacer for those who are going to be running the Mazda Motorsports Penske shocks. They require a spacer, and this acts as kind of two things. You get the spacer and you get the usability of a tie-down hook to put your car on a trailer. Here we are underneath the car. It took me about, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes to put this in. As you can see, it goes right on the inside of the shock towards the knuckle. You put your spacer on the back side and your shock is still all aligned correctly, and you are now having a new spot to strap your car down. This side's done. I'm gonna work on the passenger side and I will show you guys how to do it. Once you have the shock off, you're left with the shock kind of going upwards position, the rest of the knuckle and the control arms pulling down. Put this on, washer on the outside of it, then your shock would go on. Now, I couldn't do this by hand, so I have a jack, and I'm going to lift the tire up just enough to where I start moving this out of the way, and then I could jack the car up, or the wheel up, and then I could slide the shock back onto the shaft. All right, I was actually able to push this up by hand, so I'm gonna give it another try. There we go. Oh, all right. I was able to push it up this time and not use the jack, so you might be able to do that, might not be able to, but use a jack just in case. You can jack up the tire and it'll come up. So yeah, as you can see, it's loose. Position it in the which direction you want. I kind of had it just a little bit angled down, so I'll tighten this up. It's a 17, and then you will be good to go. With the driver's side and passenger side all done, I'm gonna put a set of straps on just so you guys can get a better idea of how it would look. As you can see, that was a pretty easy install for a product that's gonna be pretty useful for me, maybe useful for you. Again, this was from a company called Panic Motorsports. They are located in South Carolina. They're a one-stop shop for Miata builds, spec MX-5, suspension service, the whole 9 yards. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.